Alright guys, so we're shooting some 4K 60 footage from the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra at the lake area where I always come shoot a little footage. You guys see, if you remember from a couple of videos ago, the water's all the way back up now. We had a drought going, so this is the microphones, the stability. Let you guys see how the video quality is as I walk on this little plank or dock right here, and see how stable it is. Kind of right by a highway over there, and there's a dairy over there. Let's go ahead and zoom in. That's 10 times zoom right there. 5. Back to normal. There's an airport over there. And we are way away, so you can see the planes and stuff over there. I'm gonna back it back out. That's how far we are away right there. There's a guy on a boat. It's 10 times. So the zoom is great on this, as you guys see. There's a tree line over there. Let's go ahead and get in on that tree line. You guys see. Samsung zoom is excellent on here. Let's walk back this way a little bit. Looks great in the viewfinder as well. Hopefully the audio is good. There's my truck. We're going to try to get that. There's a gas station over there. Try and see what the gas prices are from here. I may need to go fill up. So I can't see it with my naked eye. So it's 5 times, 10 times, 20 times zoom, $2.99. That's the price. Look around at the gas station and the pumps. And we're back at 1 time. So pretty good cameras, man, on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Okay guys, so I got some cypress trees here in this bayou right here, right around from where I live at. I thought this was pretty cool, so wanted to get some video footage of this. You guys get to see this. Very nice. It's a little bay right around the corner from where I live at. And you got people that live on the bay right here as well. See some houses here. So very beautiful. This was all dried out during the summer, but the water levels came up. And it looks great. So over here, here's another part of it. As you guys see, your house is right there. But very nice area right here. And I just love this type of look. And I like to film and take pictures of stuff like this.